Hello everybody, next part is here. I prepared the second video of this little series. So today I'm going to make next 5 cards from the other paper pad, and today I choose this one, this little pinky one. So I'm going to make five very easy and quick cards. And I'm going to use the paper pad, and there are 2 sheets of die cuts, so the die cuts, and then gold embossing powder with Versamark ink and some sentiments. So quick and easy. I choose gold embossing powder because on die cuts there are gold parts, so because of that. So card number 1. So I am going to cut the paper slightly smaller than my card base, so I will have a small white border all around. I am going to stamp and emboss my sentiment with gold embossing powder. The sentiment says, hope your birthday is as special as you are. So really nice one, I like it. I think my cards need a little bit more, so I am using white thread, but you can't if you don't like it. But I think I like little details like that. So now I am going to stick this die cut with foam tape. And card 1 is done. Yeah, in the middle. I hope it's in the middle. Now I am using my favorite paper. I really like this one. So so again, I am cutting it slightly smaller than my card base, and now I am like layering the die cuts a little bit. This one will be my sentiment, and it says time is measured in minutes, life is measured in moments. So really pretty too, I really like it. So it will be here, and I'm going to use this little flower tool, and I have my thread on the table, so I think on this card it will be nice too. And now I realized that I need it a little bit on the right side. So here we go. So now I'm sticking everything on my panel. Yeah, and I put this little thread like in the tag, on the tag. So it will be a nice little detail. So now I'm sticking everything on my panel. And guys, this is my favorite card. I really like the paper and the tag and the flower and everything, the sentiment, so this one is my favorite, definitely. And I'm sticking the sentiment with foam tape. And now I'm sticking the thread. Right. So now I am sticking the panel on the card base, and the card 2 is done. I love it so much. So card number 3. I am going to use these 2 die cuts, these 2 butterflies. And now I am thinking about paper. I am not sure which one I am going to use. And now I know it. I am going to use these 2. I am cutting the paper with butterflies slightly smaller than my card base. And the other paper I cut really small, like a small panel. I embossed another scrap piece of paper with gold embossing powder twice. So this is the result, and this paper is slightly bigger than this panel, and I also embossed my sentiment in the middle of the small panel, and then I stick the smaller pink panel on the gold one. So now I'm sticking everything together, and yes, of course, the thread is here. Yeah, so now I'm sticking everything together, so the panel, and now I'm sticking the butterflies, and I'm sticking them only in the middle, so I can pop out their wings a little bit, so they will be more dimensional. So card number 3 is done. So card number 4 is here. So I'm using the leftover gray paper from card number 2. This one is my favorite, don't forget it. and the other paper with like flower, and I'm going to use these die cuts too, and I cut in the flower a little bit so I can like stick it like that. So this is my composition, and the only thing that I have to do is stick it down. I'm sticking the long die cut on the gray paper and the circle with foam tape on the top of everything. And now I'm going to stick the gray panel on the top of the next paper, another paper. And guys, I forgot to use the white thread. Yes, I think it will be nice when it will be here somewhere, like little thread. I miss it on this card. So now you can see the shine of the foiling. So card number 5, the final one. I cut this paper slightly smaller than my card base, and I have this white border, and I'm going to use this die cut, and these butterflies are from the paper, from leftover paper from card number 3, I think, the card with butterflies at the back. So I cut them from the paper, and I'm going to use them now. Now I'm sticking everything together, and I stick the butterflies on the middle as well as on the previous card. And now I'm using the white thread. Yes, I'm using the foam tape and stick the tack on the card, like, and yes, now I'm sticking the butterflies under it, a little bit more glue, and only on some parts, so I can pop up their wings like that. And now I'm sticking the thread in this shape. Yeah, got it. And for the final touch, I am sticking some sequins, and they are iridescent. I hope this is the word, iridescent. Oh, they are a little bit shiny. So here we go. The card 5 is done. So now you can see all the cards. And please let me know which one is your favorite. You know my opinion, so what's yours a favorite one? So guys, I hope you like this video, this second one. So the next one will be on the channel soon. So I hope you like this type of videos. And if you like my videos, please leave me a comment or click on the thumbs up. and if you want to see more videos, please subscribe, and I really appreciate every feedbacks. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I see you next time. Be art.